everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making this cute little ribbon bow. You can hang it on your headphones or use it as a keychain. So for equipment, you're gonna need yarn, hook, scissor, and so before everything we're gonna learn how to make a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, you have to make a cross on your hand, turn around your yarn like this. Let me show you again. And then turn around like this, make a round, and then grab the yarn you have on your middle finger like this, and now use your hook to make a slip knot. Pull it like this and make it tighter, and here is our slip knot. So I grab my things like I'm holding a pen, and I grab my yarn and hold it like this. You can just grab your yarn how you are comfortable with. So now I'm gonna take a bunch of yarn here because it's good to take so much yarn than running out of it. So I'm gonna take my yarn here in the right side, on the right hand side, and now we're gonna make our slip knot. So as I taught before, make a cross and make a round like this, and then take the yarn you have on your middle finger, you have it like this, and use your hook to make a slip knot. So here is our slip knot is ready. I'm gonna take the longer yarn part that I've taken, that one in my left side, and this one on my right side. So take the right side yarn on your hand like this, where you're gonna take the stitch, and the left side you have here, we have to take the side like this. And now we're gonna make our first stitch. So wrap it like this, wrap this yarn with your hook. This yarn should be under the first yarn we have. Let me show you again. So wrap it in your hook like this, and then take the part you have here, the V, and now yarn over, and then pull through the loops on your hook like this. So this is the same process, it's a very simple technique, and now we're gonna do it again. Wrap the yarn and then yarn over and pull through. Again, wrap the yarn and then yarn over, pull through. This is our third chain. So we're gonna make so longer that we can make a tie with it. So wrap over and then yarn over, pull through the yarn we have. Wrap it like this, and then yarn over again, and then pull through the two loops on our hook like this. We're gonna continue making these chains till the end. This is a very easy chaining technique that I've learned from a platform I really like. So you can make it and take anywhere. You can decorate it with your headphones, or you can use it a little keychain, or even you can decorate your gifts with this. So we're gonna continue making the same steps again and again until it gets the length we want. I will make it so longer so that I can tie. So same steps, yarn over and pull through. Wrap and then yarn over. So we're in our middle of our work, so now we're gonna just continue making few more stitches. You can see that I've taken my yarn like a triangle and I'm just yarning over and pull through. This long we already have, and now I'm gonna check if it make a tie. So just like this, we are really end of our work, so I'm just gonna make a few more stitches. So yarn over and then yarn over, pull through, wrap it and then yarn over, pull through, wrap it and yarn over, pull through. It's kind of funny, right? This long we have, now we're gonna tie it and check what if it's done or not. So my yarn is, I'm gonna just take a few steps here so that it looks similar to another tail. I think we're done with this, just a little more. So now we're gonna take to both of them to make our end. So grab your yarn with both of them and then yarn over together and then pull through the yarn we have on our hook. And pull this yarn so long. Cut the yarn, and now we're gonna take our yarn here and sew it inside our hook to hide it. I'm just going to tighten it a little so that it won't come out. Take your needle and hide it in random stitches. So here is our bow ready, and now let me show you how to make a tie. So grab your yarn like this and then take your two hands and the middle finger in the middle and then make two bare ears like this and then cross it around and then do a normal tie like this. Just grab the air inside the loop and make it tighter. Let me just adjust a little so that it looks nice. So congrats, you have your ribbon ready, and subscribe for more because I'm gonna post it in over a week or 2 weeks in a month. So bye.